Good morning friends and welcome back to another vlog. It is Wednesday today and it is currently almost 7:30 and I'm about to head into work. I'm working from 7:30 until 2, so like the quickest shift ever, and I'm really happy about it. I've been feeling very overwhelmed and confused lately. My mind has literally been all over the place. While moving has been so exciting and I'm so blessed and happy to be living in a cute little house with my best friend, the change has kinda caught me off guard a little bit. The amount of change in my life has just been affecting me a lot worse than I thought it would, which sucks so much because I'm so happy, but at the same time, like, I'm so thrown out of my routine. I'm so thrown out of everything that I'm so used to doing. If you guys have moved house before and you're feeling the same way that I'm explaining right now, please let me know. Please let me know I'm not the only person, because I literally feel crazy. I might go more in depth about it later, but I need to go into work, so I will chat to you after. I just got home from work and I spent the afternoon just picking up around my room. Honestly, it's only Wednesday and I feel like my room is already a mess, so I put all of my clothes away. But I did want to sit down and show you. I got a couple of things from Kmart after work, so I thought I'd show you what I got. First of all, this is going to seem like the stupidest thing I've ever bought in my life, but this is a smartphone flexi tripod. I basically got this for any occasion where I need to take a photo of myself with self-timer and I don't have anyone around to help me. I also saw Emma Chamberlain do a video of her taking her Instagram photos by herself, and honestly it was really funny and I really liked it, so I was thinking of filming something pretty similar, and obviously this will come in handy. So hopefully this works the way I want it to, but if it doesn't, it was $8, so I'm not mad. I also picked up this cute little sage notebook. Sage has been my favorite color lately, and I also think I'm gonna like decorate my room all white with little bits of wood and sage around. So I'm gonna have lots of plants and then probably a sage throw and some sage light green pillows. I want this journal to sit on my bedside table and I want to use it as my prayer journal. Lately I've been finding that if I'm praying just like out loud or in my head, I get so distracted. I end up just babbling on about myself, just chatting to God. But I know that when I sit down and I write out my prayer, I'm much more intentional with what I'm saying. I don't know why I just talked about a notebook for 10 minutes, but there's that. And the main reason I went into Kmart was to get a shoe rack. I have needed a shoe rack for like 2 years. I have so many shoes, and now that I do not have a walk-in wardrobe anymore, my 2 IKEA wardrobes just don't cut it for me. I'm gonna build this afternoon. I'm very bad at building things, so I literally couldn't even build our washing basket by myself. I had to get Rachel's help because I am stupid. That is all I picked up from Kmart. I also came home to a Princess Polly package, which I'm so happy about. There's also a couple of pairs of shoes in there, so that'll be great. That is so tight. How am I gonna get that off? Oh, okay. Oh. Aha. I got no clue what that says, but I'm just gonna try and put it in. Huh? What do you mean? Did I do it? Bro. Yes, these instructions made no sense, but I still got it done. Oh yeah. This is what my shoe rack looks like. It has all of my favorite sneakers on it. Wow. I also have a boring row along the top just because they're like my most worn shoes. So obviously I have my thongs, my work shoes, and my gym shoes, but the rest are my favorite sneakers and I love it. And then I've just put all of my shoes that I don't wear very often or that are too big for the shoe rack in my wardrobe. So yes, I love this a lot. Okay, welcome to my bathroom. I just want to chat to you while I'm getting stuff done because I don't know, I just want to keep doing things that I'm meant to be doing, but I also want to chat to you. So it is Thursday morning and it is, I think, like 8:30 maybe, and I woke up, I had my quiet time. I wrote in my prayer journal that I bought at Kmart yesterday that I showed you guys, and I really like it. I think it'll be really nice to just have like all my prayers in one book instead of I have like church notes and then prayers and then all this random stuff in other books. So I think it'll be really beneficial for me. Then I got out of bed, I had a shower, and I put on the I'll show you the tan I used. I've been obsessed with the Bondi Sands matte one day tan. It's literally the best thing ever. If you're not big on fake tan, or if you just want a fake tan for like one night or like one event, would highly recommend you literally put it on, and it's so easy to blend. You put it on all over your body and then you just wait a couple minutes, I think, before getting dressed. And then it just stays on all day, and then at the end of the day or at the end of the night, you just wash it off in the shower with some soap. Like, you don't have to scrub it off or anything. The only bad thing is that it kind of does transfer on your clothes a little bit, but like tan comes out of clothes so easy, so I'm not really bothered by that. But anyway, I used this tan, and then as you saw, I just got ready. I'm going to dry and then curl my hair, and then I'm going to sit down and get ready to film. I'm filming my Princess Polly haul, and I'm just trying really hard for this haul. I'm going to do a first impressions, which I'm a little bit nervous about. I'm so used to like how I always do my hauls, but I feel like it might be a little bit more exciting and fun if I do a first impressions. I'm going to do my hair and I'll check back in with you later. Good morning, friends. It is Friday morning and it is currently 5:24 a.m. and I'm at the Gold Coast at the beach watching the sunrise because I think my soul needs it. I'm gonna jump out of my car and go and sit down, and I've brought my journal. Chill out. Hung out on Burleigh Hill for a really long time. It was so nice. I just sat there for a while, literally just doing nothing but looking at the sunrise, and that was really nice. And then I journaled for a little bit, and then once the sun started actually like heating up, I just laid down in the sun. I had my I Love Jesus playlist playing on in the background, and I just like not slept, but like just like rested, and it was so nice. But it started to get really crowded with like lots of kids and stuff, so I left. It is now 8 o'clock. I have found a Zarafas, of course, always surprised, and I'm gonna go in and have a bit of an editing session because I'm trying to do all of the things today that make me feel good, and I really like editing, and especially at Zarafas. So I've packed my laptop, so we're gonna head in there, get a coffee and live my best life, get some hustling done. Good morning, friends. It is Saturday today and it is 20 to 10 a.m. I had a really nice chill morning at home, and now I am at Zarafas and I'm gonna go in and edit. Yeah, I just didn't feel like being at home by myself this morning, so I'm coming to Zarafas and editing. I also think I'm gonna go to JB Hi-Fi today and buy an iPad, which sounds like an impulse decision, but I've been thinking about it for ages and I have the day off today, so I may as well go and do it now. I might be doing it with my brother. I don't know yet, he's still in bed, so, but that's really the only plans that I have for today. So I'm gonna go and edit, and I might update you later. I bought an iPad. Ooh. Oh, look at the space gray. If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What is this? Hold your new iPad up to the camera. This
What?
is crazy. This is crazy. I'm currently ending this vlog, and of course I forgot to end it. So hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video in the very near future. Bye.